Welcome back to Pi Academy. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel to get more videos. In the last video, I told you about mu test for convergence, and in this video, I will discuss about Abel test and some problems. So, what is Abel test? The statement of this Abel test: if the function f(x) bounded and monotonic, that is f(x) bounded and monotonic, that is either monotonic increasing or monotonic decreasing, and phi x is also bounded and integrable, and also a to infinity phi x dx is convergent, then by Abel test we can say a to infinity fx phi x dx is convergent. This is the statement of Abel test. Now I consider an example. Example 1. I consider the improper integral 0 to infinity e to the power minus x into cos x by 1 plus divided by 1 plus x square into dx. Here fx equal to e to the power minus x and phi x equal to cos x divided by 1 plus x square. Now fx, here fx is clearly this is monotonic decreasing and bounded. Where fx is monotonic decreasing and bounded, we have to show phi x is convergent, that is phi x equal to cos x divided by 1 plus x square. Now we consider mod cos x divided by 1 plus x square lesser equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. And now we can show by mu test this improper integral, that is 0 to infinity 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. This is convergent because limit x tends to infinity x to the power mu, here mu equal to 2, 1 by 1 plus x square. Because how can calculate mu? Because the highest power of x in denominator here is 2 and minus lowest highest power of x in numerator, that is 2 minus 0, that is 2. This is equal to 1 exists. Hence by mu test we can say this improper integral is absolutely convergent, and we know also an absolutely convergent improper integral is also convergent. Therefore this improper integral is convergent, that is this is convergent, and by comparison test, since it is convergent, therefore this is also convergent. Therefore we can say 0 to infinity phi x dx, that is cos x divided by 1 plus x square dx is convergent. Then we can say 0 to infinity cos x by 1 plus x square dx is convergent, and it is also bounded and integrable. Then by Abel test we can say 0 to infinity fx phi x dx, that is 0 to infinity, here fx equal to e to the power minus x and phi x equal to cos x divided by 1 plus x square dx. This is convergent. This is also convergent. If instead of cos x, if I consider sin x, then we can prove by similar method that this improper integral is also convergent. Is also convergent. Now I consider another example. 0 to infinity e to the power minus x sin square x divided by x square into dx. We have to show this is convergent by Abel test. Let us consider here fx equal to e to the power minus x and phi x equal to sin square x divided by x square. Here fx is, that is e to the power minus x, is monotonic decreasing and it is also bounded. Here fx is monotonic decreasing. Fx is monotonic decreasing and bounded. Here fx is monotonic decreasing and bounded. And now I consider phi x. Phi x equal to sin square x divided by x square. Now 0 less or equal to sin square x by x square less or equal to 1 by x for all x greater than 0. For all x greater than 0. Therefore, since 0 to infinity 1 by x square into dx, in the previous examples I show you that this type of improper integral is convergent. Here mu equal to 2 greater than 1, comparison integral 2. In comparison integral 2 I show you that this is convergent. Here mu equal to greater than 1, therefore convergent. And therefore we can say that phi x is bounded, integrable and convergent. Then by Abel test we can say 0 to infinity fx into phi x dx is convergent. That is the improper integral. This is convergent. Thank you for watching.